Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by adding the Photos widget to your home screen. This gives you a dynamic gallery preview. First, long press any empty area until icons jiggle, then tap the plus icon and select Photos. Choose the widget size you want, 2x2 for compact or 4x4 for a larger carousel, and place it where you like. Once done, tap Done to lock the layout so the widget can start showing moments from your library. Now control which images the widget surfaces so it stays relevant to you. Open Settings, go to Photos, and make sure Memories and Featured Content are enabled. This lets the widget pick highlights automatically. If you want specific photos, add them to a dedicated album or mark them favorite. The widget responds better when your library is organized. Once done, consider using a smart stack with the photos. Finish by confirming the widget updates regularly. You should see new images within minutes. If the widget fails to update, restart your iPhone and make sure iCloud Photos is syncing over Wi-Fi so the library is current. Also check storage and photos permissions in settings. If problems persist, remove the widget and re-add it, or toggle the photos and background app refresh permissions. That usually resolves display or permission glitches quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.